and Lorenzo's going to hang on to it. He said to me before this weekend, if you go into these corners first, you know you're going to win the race. Can Rossi invent something though? Can he do it? 2 more corners to go after this one.
They're at the top of the hill. 12 and 13 to go. Lorenzo still leads the way. Rossi very, very close indeed. They plunge down the hill. We ride with Valentino Rossi. Lorenzo now into turn 13.
And Rossi's invented something in the final corner, but Lorenzo gets close to the back, and Rossi has beaten him.
Tipping straight away.
Here we go, here's Casey back, straight back underneath him. He's strong in this section.
Great stuff in turn 3. Starting to go through, but Rossi's hanging the back.
Victory in the United States Grand Prix, a big old wheelie as he...
Through this left-hander, Dovizioso's nomination of the Red Bull ring. Here comes Andrea Dovizioso. He's going all in for the victory. Marques standing. He's done it! It's 4 for Ducati and Jorge! Unbelievable! Race. Didn't think Dovizioso was going to be close enough. What a move up the inside of Marc. And it was all clean. There was no contact. It was tight. An indifferent